my seven. I'm ripping in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm bouncing in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
That shit crazy, no. Anyway, what's up, y'all? It's your boy, and this shit Ride 254, man. You tuned in for another one. I'm sitting here trying to get ready to go to this damn car show this weekend. Big Showdown, Big Showdown 3. I went the first year, second year, I missed it because I was working. And then this year, I'm in that thing. So I'm getting ready to go up there. Well, actually, it's like in a couple days. So I just wanted to tell y'all what I'm taking with me to get all this good footage. One is gonna be this camera that I'm filming on right now. The rest of it I'm gonna have to show you in this video. Let's get into it. All right, y'all, so real quick, not a long drawn out video, just really trying to show y'all what I have here and what I plan on taking to the Whip Fest. Well, not a Whip Fest, Big Showdown 3. I mean, it'll be pretty much the same thing I take to that as well. But of course, I got my phone. I can get extra footage on this, as well as the camera that I'm recording on. Also, you're gonna want to take extra batteries for your main camera, which is the one I'm recording on, the Canon M50, and you want to take a charger. A big event like this is an all-day thing, man, so you can never have enough battery power. Of course, you know, it may be some times where you like want to take a break, or when you're going to get something to eat, you can let something charge up or something like that. But overall, you definitely gonna want the capability to charge back up in the event that, you know, you deplete all your batteries. That brings me to my next thing, is that you want to have extra batteries for the camera. Of course, my iPhone, I don't have an extra battery, but for this camera that I'm recording on, I have extra batteries that are just downstairs or whatever. So I think I got like 6 batteries total. So I'll charge them all up before the event, and then I'll run through them that day. But when I go eat or whatever, go to the media room, then I can go ahead and I can put 2 more on the charger, or charge up at least 3 more, and that should get me through the day with everything like that. You also need a tripod. This actually seems to be, or not seems to be, this is the identical one that I'm actually holding this camera with. I bought 2 of them. The reason that I bought 2 is because this one was so, this one was kind of so versatile. So you can see it folds down flat. Let's see, let me show y'all. So yeah, it folds down flat like this. Let me turn that off so you can see it. All right, so as you can see, it folds down flat like that, so that you can put a camera like the M50, which is what I have on this. And then on the flip side, you are able to then open it up to where it will hold a phone. I mean, that's not how it holds it, but let me show you. Hold on. Damn it, man. I didn't really think this out before I did it. That's why we call it on the whim video. So yeah, there you can see it's able to hold the phone, and so you can pretty much switch from, you can pretty much, I mean, I could record with this and then switch over to this. I can record with a regular camera, and then I could say camera dies, and then I could just flip it open, and then I could hold my phone. But like I said, the price point was so low, I just said screw it, and I bought 2 of them. These came off of Amazon, I believe, made by Famal. So like I said, I love it. the way that it's versatile, everything like that. And so I decided to get another one, and yeah, so that's gonna be on deck as well. You're also gonna want to have plenty of storage. What I have here is a 64 gig card, and I have a 128 gigabyte card. This is the card that's gonna be in my drone. 64 is probably enough, but 128 is gonna be for the other one. The 64 gig, I want to say, is going in the GoPro. You can also use these cards versatile. You can have these adapters. These adapters allow you to put it in a larger camera like the one that we're filming on. So in the event that you needed to do that, you could. But media storage is, I mean, it's pretty cheap. And you can definitely never have enough of it. Especially when it comes to going to an event like this, a lot of racing, etc. going on, anything could happen. So definitely don't want to run out of storage. So this camera, like I said, the card that's in here now in the camera is 128, and then I have 128 gigs on my drone, and then I had a 64, probably just backing up just to make sure that I have some extra storage if need be. Shouldn't fill up all of those, but we'll see. Also, being that it's a race event, let me show you. I got my GoPro over here. GoPro's over here charging, getting ready for this weekend. So the GoPro, it takes a small card, but with this mount and the GoPro not sewn together, you are able to stick your camera on the side of said vehicle. It'll secure on there, not gonna come off, and you turn your GoPro on, and boom, down the track it goes, 100 some miles an hour, and you're gonna get every angle. Well, not every angle, but you'll get it from that angle, depending on you put it up on the side, or you put it on top, or just depending on how you shoot it, man, honestly. So I hope to put this on somebody's car while I'm out there. I know my man Zay TRD is gonna be racing, so maybe I'll stick it on his car and get that footage if he doesn't already have one on his, or maybe I can get an additional angle for him. Only time will tell. So, all right. So, like I was explaining to you earlier, extra batteries. These are all my extra batteries for. Actually, that's the dummy battery. But yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. One in the camera, and then one over there on the charger. I got extra batteries for my drone, which is there. Drone controller. Pretty much everything that it is that I'm going to need to get that footage, man. So like I said, just a short video. These are some of the things that you might need if you're going to a large event. Get all the exact footage that you need. If you have any other questions about things that I may use in my videos, then please leave a comment below, and I'll get it answered for you. Till next time, guys. LSR254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices, choose wisely, and productivity over procrastination. Gone.